If you're facing problems logging in into Just Eat, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. If you're using a browser, the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and clear browser cache, open your settings, go into apps, and then look for the browser that you are currently using. All you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find a section called Clear History and Website Data, where it'll clear cache as well. Also, if you are using a browser for Android users, if your cookies are not enabled, you might be facing this problem. Simply make sure that cookies are turned on a browser. If it doesn't work, you might need to perform a hard reset of the device, or you might also need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Simply try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data or vice versa. Always make sure that VPN is turned off and try to toggle on and off your airplane mode to give it that quick refresh. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.